Hey, Katie. Do you want to go up?
Up.
Yeah? You want to go up? That's your belly button. Do you want to go up?
Up.
Up. Thank you. Do you want to go up? Up? Yeah. So we're learning how to throw, huh? We have to throw everything. Slam dunk! Woohoo! Okay, say up. Yeah, there's another one. Whoops, missed. Yay!